In verse 28, and Peter answered him and said, Lord, if it is you, command me to come to you on the water. So he said, come. Jesus gave him a word. Peter reacted to the word and he could walk on the water. The word was working. He was enjoying the fruit of the word as long as he had his eyes on the source. When he took his eyes off the source of the word, I know the word says that the waves made him anxious. Do you think it would have been any easier if there was no waves, if it was a calm day? Try and walk on your swimming pool even if there's no wind. He was enjoying the fruit of the word that he said yes to as long as he had his eyes on the source. But the moment he started worrying, the moment he took the cares of the waves on him, he went down. But this is where I know this is where you don't lose your salvation, because Jesus didn't tell him, suit you right, see how you get to the side. He pulled him out.